Hello everyone watching this video. Welcome to Code with Kids and I'm Yashpit Amol Nirban. Today we are going to learn a very starting coding language HTML. So let's start. First question arises, what is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. So basically it is short form of Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is a standard markup language for creating web pages. So it means that it is a standard markup language for creating web pages. Now another question arises, what is standard markup language? So it means we use tags to define a content. We will also know what is content in few minutes. Okay, so back on the point. HTML describes the structure of web page. So we can say that HTML is a language which helps and create web page. But there is difference between web page and a website. This is a web page open on a browser. It is not part of World Wide Web. Okay. So next HTML consists series of elements. So element is what you write in HTML. Whatever you write in HTML is element. HTML element tell the browser how to display the content. As we know, web pages are open on browser and content is a part of element. So let us see element in detail. What is an HTML element? An HTML element is defined by a start tag, some content and end tag. Okay, so by this we understand there are three types: starting tag, ending tag and content. Content is the element which you will see while tags are not seen in the browser. So this means that content is to be shown and tags are not shown, means tags define them as we saw that. Okay, so content is between starting tag and ending tag, as we may see here as an example h1 and h1. Okay, so they are examples and welcome is a content. Okay, whatever we write in content is displayed on the web page. So content is which we will see in our web page. If we write content XYZ in between specific starting tag and ending tag, it will show XYZ on web page. Okay, so let's move to tag. What is tag? It has two types, starting tag and ending tag. So we have seen that tag has two types. Starting tag is like this, tag name, while ending tag is like this. Tag contains bracket before and tag name. We seen in both examples that they contain brackets like this. So it means that ending must contain slash. So let me explain in detail. As we start something, there is an ending. So if we take h1 and h1 without slash and content between, if so, the browser will not understand it that is it ended, so we need to add slash. Examples of tag. There are some examples of tag because tags are very important and we should learn them. Okay, so examples of starting tag: HTML, title, body, p, h1, h2, h3, h4, h5, h6. Okay, so you may be thinking that if h1, h2, h3, h4, h5, 6 are there, are it is same like HTML, title, body, p? No, it is not same. Okay, so p stands for paragraph, head stands for heading, so it is like that. Okay, and HTML are these are tags. So let us see ending tags. As we know, ending tag is nothing, it just contains slash of like a same like starting tag. Okay, so title, body, p means paragraph, and heading 1, heading 2, heading 3, heading 4, heading 5, and heading 6. Okay, you may be thinking, what is this topic? It is not important. You may be thinking, right? Actually, I think it is important. While saving HTML, you should clear star.txt and write your HTML name.html. It is very simple. Clear name.star.txt and write of your file and then .html. Note: writing .html after the name is necessary, or else the HTML wouldn't save. Okay, so I specially add this note because this mistake is done by me too, and I have seen my some friends also doing that, and so it was at the end of topic. Thank you. Like and subscribe our channel. Bye.